How to fix if your mobile hotspot is not working on the Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. There are three basic solutions that you can try on. For the very first one, click on the search bar and search for troubleshooter settings. Once you tap open it, it will open the settings with the troubleshooters. Tap on other troubleshooters and then search for network and internet. Then after, click on the run button and it will drag you to another page which will detect for the network and connections. If there are any issues, this problem or this detection would probably solve it. However, if this does not, the next step that you need to check or confirm is that the Bluetooth device is turned off. For that, go to settings and then on Bluetooth and devices. Make sure that the Bluetooth is turned off or toggled off. After this, you can try to check if the mobile hotspot is working or not. So for that, visit the mobile hotspot section and make sure to toggle it on. Additionally, you can also visit the device manager and make sure that the network and internet is up to date. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.